planer board, homemade, heavy line, nylon line. Okay, when we launch the planer board, there's one for each side. Set it in the water, let it float out, and you'll notice it will start pulling itself away from the boat. This way it's designed. We're going to let out 75 to 100 foot of line. Maybe not that much, probably about 70 feet. And once we get out the line we want, find cleat on the boat. Generally what I'll do is take it and run it through the cleat, pull the line through the handle, and then set it under the cleat so it won't pull through. There you got tension. Ouch. Now the rods I use is these Daiwas. As you can see the brand on the Daiwa. It's a counting rod. It's got a counter right here. What we're using is spinners. About 14-pound test fluorocarbon leaders on them. He's also got a 2-ounce bottom bouncer out on the end, that weight on the end. I'll let it out. I'm going to grab it. What we're using for bait is baby shiners. I hook the shiner through his mouth and up through the top of his lip. And that way he'll stay alive, like so. Now we're going to set the rod out, and if you'll notice, this has got a counter on it, and it's on 0. We push down a little knob, and then we're going to drop it. Since we know we're in 24 foot of water, I'm going to let it out about 100 feet. Once you practice enough, you'll realize what depth you need to, how much line you need to let out for the depth here. So about 103 feet right there. I take the rod, lay it on the deck, grab the end of the line, pull it out. I get these little clips. That's a curtain rod clip with a little clip on it. Take that curtain rod clip, put it under the orange line, take your actual line, put it in the clip like so. And you can see it's going to slide out on that line. It's moving out now. There's 100 foot of line out, and then I'm going to let it go out. This way I can cover more water. I'm making a spread. Now if that's the first rod, all you got to do, depending on how many rod holders you got, this boat, set up a little different. So I'm going to put this rod right here. And you see that line's way out there. Okay, stop it.